Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please be our guest. Let's get into it. Today she's going to show us how to make a classic and iconic Middle Eastern breakfast dish, mainly used for breakfast, which is fool. It's a vegan dish which consists of fava beans and some fresh herbs and veggies. So basically all I need for this dish is, this particular one we're making is full in tahini sauce. So it's full with tahini sauce. So basically you need a can of full, which is fava beans, obviously tahini sauce, freshly picked mint, lemon, finely chopped parsley, chopped tomato, and some garlic. So we'll start off by heating up the can of full, and this is the easiest way to do it. You save washing any pots and dishes. You basically cook it in its own can and you discard the can once you're done. So now she's bringing up to the heat, and then we'll move on to the next step. So in a bowl you add some garlic and a sprinkle of salt, and you pound away. You want basically a paste consistency. And then you add some tahini sauce to taste. So obviously if you like it strong, you add more. It's up to you how much tahini you want to add. Freshly squeezed lemon. And as you mix in, you keep adding extra virgin olive oil at the same time to get the desired consistency. So that's basically the desired consistency you're after. Nice and silky. So once the can of full has started, reached boiling point, basically you shut it down because it's already cooked. You just want to reheat it. So once it's you've heated the can, you strain the water out of the can. You remove the water, the moisture. Once you've strained the can, you begin mashing it very well. This particular version of full needs to be mashed particularly well. And then you add it to the paste that we prepared earlier. You sprinkle a bit of salt, then you mix it in well. And as always, you taste and adjust seasoning to taste. And it's as simple as that, guys. Extremely simple to make, extremely nutritious and delicious, and everyone can enjoy this dish, from vegans to carnivores. So basically you place it in a plate and then you begin garnishing. So you garnish it with some chopped parsley, a bit of mint, and chopped tomatoes. And you start raining down extra virgin olive oil. And that's the final product, guys. Extremely simple, one of the simplest dishes you can ever make. It's maintenance free, there's hardly anything to wash. And extremely nutritious, extremely delicious. And I'm sure your family would like it, just like ours does. And if you like what you've seen so far, guys, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.